In this video, I'll show you how to cross-chain transfer Evmos Network Ethereum to Arbitrum. You can use Connext cross-chain bridge to send Ethereum to Arbitrum. First, you can buy Ethereum using Evmos DEX Diffusion Finance. You can check my previous video on how to send funds to Evmos. Connect your wallet to Connext bridge. Here I'm sending Ethereum from Evmos Network to Arbitrum. Enter the Ethereum amount you want to send. You can check Evmos to Arbitrum fees here. Approve the transaction. In the next step, you can proceed with the cross-chain transfer. Make sure you enter enough transaction fees. Confirm the transaction in the metamask. It will take a few minutes to complete the cross-chain transfer. Sign to claim your Ethereum. You can check transaction details in the Arbitrum Block Explorer. Follow these steps to add Arbitrum network to metamask. Open Chainlist website. All links are in the video description. Search Arbitrum 1 and add a network to your metamask. Open your metamask wallet and check your Ethereum balance. Thanks for watching.